This week on Sailing Miss Lone Star, we explore a new anchorage and really go wild because we're all alone. Just a day in the life of girls being girls.
It's where the coconut oil goes to freeze.
We don't. That is true. We want to stay out of that region. Hell.
Salad. We're gonna have a pile of vegetables in the shape of a salad. We've got cucumber, avocado. Avocado, one of my favorites. It's kind of always a surprise though. We never know what it's gonna look like inside. Will it be perfect? Yeah.
No matter where we go, we do our best to avoid living on Spam. And as some sailing myths suggest, liveaboard sailors sometimes do. At times, we do have to go to great lengths to hunt down crispy vegetables, but boy, is it worth it.
I gotta get it out of the packaging first.
I'm just over here playing armchair quarterback. Armchair quarterback. I'm like, you're doing it wrong. You are definitely doing it wrong. You know how to do it? No. But I do know you're doing it wrong.
It's like a 3-person sport right now. Ah, yes!
It's like a fish pizza.
A fish wheel.
Although we didn't catch this fish on the salad, I'm calling this meal a win.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. All right, we're gonna go onto the bow and we're gonna do a little workout. We've been on the hook here for a few days. I have not snorkeled or paddled much because of rattlesnakes and anacondas in the water and on shore. So we're gonna stay on the boat and go do a workout. Let's go get sweaty. It's a little windy.
I need pants. This is the first time and only time you'll ever hear me say I need pants. Yogi squat. It's so cold.
Is this, you feel sexy?
I'm having the most fun.
It's like Yoda.
So after coming out to the bow, I think it might be a little cold right now for a workout, so we're gonna come back when the sun clears the mountains. Let's see, in an hour, maybe.
Maybe we're in Burha.
Burha.
Not Baja.
Jordan and I are going to wait for a little sunshine and then go explore the beach.
That's a great idea.
It's not my best idea I've had all day. Sorry, Anya. I'm sailing! Total, I feel like you missed the boat, buddy. Come on, man.
You're still attached.
Oh, good. I'm coming back. Come on, bud. Hop on. Untie us while you're at it. Anya, dear. I like your rowing. You like this? This is how you. Woo! Wet now. Damn it. This is all your fault.
The Sea of Cortez is a must-see when venturing down this side of the world. The way that the desert meets the ocean is so beautiful, dry and arid, yet teeming with life.
Well, you know how to great trip to land. On the boat. Good on the boat. And also, if you decided to go on the paddleboard, then I'd get you confused. Yeah. Whoa! And I'm off. Got a whole bunch of water, but
We were enjoying swimming without suits until we were discovered by another sailboat, and the crew on board dropped the anchor a little too close for comfort. So we picked up and moved to a quieter side of the anchorage, and we continued our afternoon girls' party in the sun.
There's definitely 3.
We dropped the hook and got back to soaking up the rays. The water is crystal blue and flat calm, so we decided to paddle in for a little photography session, given by yours truly in the beautiful afternoon light. You can check out some of the images on Instagram. The link is in the description below. Another day on anchor in the Sea of Cortez on Murphy. We have some big exciting news for you about what we're doing with Murphy coming up on Patreon. Make sure to keep an eye on that space for details. It's not long now until we pack up and head north to the big, beautiful Formosa and begin our journey south with a new group of girls.
Guess I'm going through a phase of feeling kinda low. I never leave the house, but I'm not home. Can't tell if I'm awake or living in a dream. A caterpillar.
As of today, I have 900 daily shows live, and you can find them by following the links on sailingmisslonestar.com on the homepage. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to my patrons. You make these videos possible. We'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star.
Consciousness is just a state of mind. I meditate to metamorphosize. I need a change, I shifted paradigms. Go to Hawaii, get a whole new life.